Relax, Mom. It's not that much.
Yeah, we only had a few pieces. A few? Look at this mess! You two are eating too much junk food. I have no choice. No more candy. Let's see if you can eat unhealthy now.
Huh? She thinks a button is gonna get rid of all her candy? Psh, yeah, right. I'm gonna get back to eating. What? What happened to my Skittles?
Are these chickpeas?
No! There's no way all the candy's gone. Oh. Oh, why are they all soggy? They look like regular beans. Maybe they have new flavors. These are real beans. Oh, man. Oh, man, I really want something to eat with this movie, but we don't have any more candy.
Oh, what if we make popcorn?
Oh, you're a genius. Popcorn isn't candy.
Exactly. Let me go make some.
All right.
Yes, it's popping! And it's done! It smells so good! Yes, I knew it would work! Now I'll pour it into the bowl. Huh? Oh man, it's just regular corn! Oh, I'll just use this salt to make it better! There we go! Nice and perfect! Now I just need some spoons and I can go back to the movie! Here, Max, I made some fresh garlic bread!
They smell so good. Let me try one. Oh, Stacy, this bread is amazing.
Ew, Max, your bread smells so bad!
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry, Max. I have bread mints.
Oh, thanks, Stacy.
No problem.
Wait, I can't eat these. They might turn into vegetables. I'll just use some of this mint.
Max, I gave you mints. What are you doing?
If I eat this, it might turn into candy. Oh man, it didn't work.
But it worked. You don't have bad breath anymore.
Oh, whatever. Still gross. Come on. There has to be something sweet around here. Oh, peanut butter. I love peanut butter. Yes, it's brand new. Perfect. Now I just have to put it on my toast. Oh, it smells so good. Is that hummus? That's not bad.
Mom, can you please make me breakfast? I'm so hungry. I can't cook now, Stacy. I have to go to work. Oh man. Just grab some cereal. I'll be back later. Okay. Ooh, this one's my favorite. Ooh, this still has sugar in it. Yes. What? Berries. At least they're sweet.
Oh man, my snack is so boring. Huh? Mom, I thought you said we couldn't have junk food.
I said you guys couldn't have junk food. You had way too much.
That's not fair. I've been eating healthy all day.
That's the point.
Come on, Mom, please. Here, I'll even trade you my grapes.
Oh, fine.
Yes, thanks.
Yep.
Yes, finally I can eat some junk food. Mom, what happened to the chips? Huh?
I don't know, but these grape candies are really good.
That's not fair. Those grapes are mine.
Do you want one?
Oh, thanks, Mom. Wait, it changed back to a real grape. Oh, man.
Max, Stacy, I have a surprise for you.
Oh, really?
What is it, Mom? Since you guys finished all your food, you get to eat this.
Whoa!
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
It tastes like frozen mashed potatoes.
It is just potatoes.
I can't believe she forgot we can't eat junk food. Stacy, now's our chance. We can get the button while Mom is sleeping.
Ooh, then we can make everything back to normal. You're a genius, Max.
Shh, you're gonna wake her up.
Sorry, go, go, go.
So far, so good. Whew, that was a close one. But time to put everything back. Now I just gotta put it back the way it was.
Max, what are you doing? Nice try, but you can't take the button away from me that easily.
Oh, you're right. Sorry, Mom.
All right, now that everything's back to normal, let's celebrate with some candy. Here, Max, you go first.
Oh, thanks, Stacy. What? Spinach? It didn't work. Oh, I can't live without candy. What am I gonna do? What's so funny?
Don't worry, Max. I got you so good. I switched out the candy.
Oh, yes, it worked.
Yeah. Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.